Keeping your customers informed is key when offering pre-orders. I'll walk you through how to set up automated email notifications and alerts so your customers know exactly when to expect their orders. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. From the Shopify admin, go to Apps and select the Pre-order Now app. This opens the app dashboard. Now head over to the Settings section and go to the Email tab. This is where you'll find the email notification settings. To get started, you'll need to enable email notifications. Once enabled, choose the monthly charge limit for email alerts based on the maximum number of emails you plan to send per month, then click Activate. Be sure to check the option to BCC yourself on the pre-order confirmation emails by adding your email address below. Next, under Pre-order Email Template, let's set up your email template. If you take a closer look, you'll see a default message already in place, but we want to make sure you're sending out personalized emails. So here, you can edit the subject line to make it more engaging. In the email header, you can customize the message or content of the email. You'll see variables listed at the bottom, which automatically pull in customer and order details, ensuring each email is personalized. For the line item section, you can tweak the order details as needed using these variables. Then, at the bottom, customize your line footer with any additional information. Once your email template looks good, scroll down to the Test Email section. Enter your email address in the text box and click Send. This sends a sample email to your inbox so you can double-check the layout and make any adjustments if needed. Next, set the sender email address to ensure customers receive notifications from your email address. Just enter your email here and click Verify. You'll receive a verification email from no-reply-aws@amazon.com with a link to confirm the address. Click on the link, and you're all set. This step ensures that the emails are sent from your email address, which helps maintain consistent branding. If you need help setting up your pre-orders, you can schedule a one-on-one free onboarding call with us. One of our experts will walk you through everything and ensure your pre-orders and notifications are configured perfectly. That's it! You're all set to keep your customers in the loop with automated email alerts. If you have any questions or need assistance, we're just a message away.